In this video you'll discover exactly how to find cheap car insurance for RV. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every traveler's mind: affordable RV insurance. Whether you're a full-time RVer or a weekend warrior, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to help you score cheap car insurance for your beloved home on wheels. Segment 1: Understanding your RV insurance needs. The first step to finding budget-friendly RV insurance is understanding your unique needs. Are you a full-timer, a part-timer, or an occasional traveler? Different usage levels can impact your coverage options and premiums. Also, consider your RV's value, size, and features. These factors play a role in determining your insurance costs. Segment 2: Compare quotes from multiple providers. Don't settle for the first insurance quote that comes your way. It's crucial to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurance providers. Online comparison tools make this process easier than ever. Remember, different companies have different underwriting guidelines and discounts, so you might be surprised at the range of prices you'll find. Segment 3: Optimize your coverage. Now, let's talk coverage. While it's tempting to go for the most comprehensive coverage, sometimes you can save by opting for a more tailored plan. For instance, if your RV is older and has depreciated in value, you might want to consider dropping collision coverage. Also, think about where and how you store your RV when it's not in use. Safe storage locations can earn you discounts. Segment 4: Bundle and save. One of the easiest ways to cut costs is by bundling your RV insurance with your other policies, like homeowners or auto insurance. Insurance companies often offer significant discounts for bundling, so be sure to ask about this option when getting quotes. Segment 5: Drive safely and maintain a good record. Your driving history matters when it comes to insurance premiums. Safe driving and a clean record can lead to lower rates over time. So, keep those seatbelts fastened and obey the speed limits to rack up those safe driving points. Segment 6: RV club memberships and affiliations. Did you know that being a member of certain RV clubs or associations can lead to discounts on your insurance? Many insurance companies offer special rates for members of these organizations, so it's worth exploring the perks that come with your memberships. Segment 7: Ask about discounts. Don't be shy, ask your insurance provider about potential discounts. Common discounts include safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, and even discounts for paying your premium in full upfront. You might be surprised by how much you can save just by asking. Conclusion: there you have it, fellow RV adventurers, your guide to scoring cheap car insurance for your cherished RV. By understanding your needs, comparing quotes, optimizing your coverage, and taking advantage of discounts, you'll be well on your way to keeping your insurance costs down while hitting the open road. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.